Well, let's speak it out.
Sir, Ramesh sir,
ஜெயாக்கா ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க.
கேக்குதா?
கேக்குதுக்கா, ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க.
Okay. Welcome you all. It's indeed a beautiful morning, also in the delighted frame of mind, and with pleasure, I welcome you all for the Wellness November webinar organized by Lions Club of Sivahasi. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Leadership is not a position or a title, it's action and example. It's my privilege in welcome you in introducing our today's guest speaker, who is one of the gemstone of our Lions School. She is a woman who shines in several spheres. She molds our students with much dedication than a doctor, with much sharpness than an engineer, with much patience than a sculptor, and much precision than an archer. She encourages each and every child to use their imaginations and motivates them in all their good needs. She plants the seeds of knowledge, sprinkles them with love, and patiently nurture its growth to achieve tomorrow's dreams. Dear all, please join me in giving a warm welcome to the guest speaker of this day, our primary in charge, Mrs. B. Mercy. Dear ma'am, I welcome you, ma'am. She is going to present a speech on the topic, a leader orchestrates. Welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Shall I start, ma'am?
Okay, ma'am, you can start now.
Yes. Good afternoon, everybody. First of all, I welcome you. Those are one and all present here. I would like to express my gratitude to respected President Line D. Prabhaharan, Secretary Line S. Selvaraj, Treasurer Line G. Sivasakti Balan, Honorable Correspondent Line N. Kanagasabesan, and respected Principal Mr. P. Swaminathan for giving me an opportunity to address you through a webinar. Let me introduce my topic, a leader orchestrates. Yes, it's one of my favorite topics similar to Karumbu Tinna Kuliya. Can you guess the leaders? Who they are? Can you guess the leaders, children? Can you guess the leaders who they are? Yes, he is Mahatma Gandhi. Next one is, he is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Yes, he is our Vidasu Kavinyar Bharatiyar. Last one is Punjab Singham Bhagat Singh. With their pictorial representation, we come to know who they are. So leaders have their unique identities only on their external appearance. Also, they are holding their specific slogan, which they inspire the people and even all leaders to follow them as the Pied Piper of Hamelin. You know, Gandhiji's slogan was very famous. He has given many. One among was do or die, that is say அல்லது செத்துமடி. Next one, Abdul Kalam. நமது பிறப்பு ஒரு சகாப்தமாக இருக்கலாம், நமது இறப்பு ஒரு சரித்திரமாக இருக்க வேண்டும். பாரதி, தனி ஒருவனுக்கு உணவில்லை எனில் ஜகத்தினை அழித்திடுவோம். பகத்சிங், ஜிந்தாபாத் ஜிந்தாபாத், இன்குலாப் ஜிந்தாபாத், ஜிந்தாபாத் ஜிந்தாபாத், இன்குலாப் ஜிந்தாபாத், and so on. Here comes a few national leaders from political, social, and religious sectors. You know their names, I hope. Right from Kamarajar to Rajaji in the first row, second row, Periyar to Bharatiyar, third one, VOC to Dr. Abdul Kalam. Yes, in general, we classify the leaders into two categories. One is born leaders, another one is made leaders. Born leaders are leaders who born with leadership qualities. Made leaders are those who become leaders throughout their learning capabilities and practical experience. According to a recent survey taken all around the world, the result what we get is 80% are made leaders and the rest 20 are born leaders. Now you could see both born and made leaders in this PPT. One by one, he is Chacha Nehru. She is some Iron Woman Lady of India, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, including that Lion King character, Mufasa and Simba. Then Amarendra Bahubali and Magendra Bahubali. Yes, next is R, father of our Karmavirar Kamaraj, Perindalevar Kamaraj, Aringer Anna. Yes, again Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So, past two slides I show you both born and made leaders. Now let's see, leadership is a lifetime activity, that is lifetime process of learning. Once there was a training session in which 12 teachers were as trainees and a 75-year-old skilled and learned personality was the trainer. He asked them to answer a question. The question was, who was your favorite leader? Why? The question was, listen everybody, who was your favorite leader? Why? Could you please, any three, say your favorite leader and why? Could you please, any three, please raise your hands? Please raise your hands. Could you please, any three of you, say your favorite leader and why? And why? Ah, yes.
Put in your chat box. Chat box.
Chat box. Prajit. Prajit?
ஸோ எல்லாருமே டைப் பண்ணிடலாம். சேட் பாக்ஸ் வந்து ஓப்பனாக தான் இருக்கு.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please, sir. Will do, sir. Yes. Why? Please answer the question. Why? Prajit, answer the question. Why? It's typing. Okay. Type the answer. Please type the answer. Yes, Prajit is answered as MS Dhoni. Yes, a former captain of Indian cricketer. Yes, very nice. Yes, you. Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you so much, Principal sir. Because he's calm and good. Well done, well done. He's a very spirit man. Right. Anyone else? Surya, Akshaya, Abdul Kalam. Yes, very good, Akshaya. His simplicity and self-confidence. Principal sir, again, your dedication. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I have some goosebumps, sir. Thank you. The same. Now I'll come back to my topic. Like you, they answered one by one and they answered one by one and gave their reason. The trainer expressed the other part of the leader whom they liked. Finally, he asked two questions which sparked every one of them. Recently, the word spark was very familiar because of MS Dhoni. I hope everyone know, right? So the trainees, the teachers who got spark while they are receiving his questions. One is, why do you not leader? Are you not favorite of yourself? What are the two questions he asked? Why do you not the leader? Don't you a leader? Like that he asked. Are you not favorite of yourself? Then he ended as, believe in you and lead your students because you're all teachers. Believe in yourself and lead students. Yes, I was one among the trainee. It happened in the year 2013, October. When I underwent Cub Master training in Noble Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Arpukotai, it was an eye-opener to me. After that, my perception about leadership became wider and wider. Let me come to the topic that leader orchestrates, right? A leader has certain basic characters. Here I would like to share 9 among them as they seem to be 9 gemstones. Yes, everyone knows the 9 gemstones, right from diamond, pearl, red coral, histrionite, blue sapphire, cat's eye, yellow sapphire, emerald, and ruby. Everyone you know. I want to relate the gemstones with the characters of leaders. The first one is courageous. That is dhairyasaali, very bold. The right example, what I want to give is Iron Man of India. Certainly it was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel who strengthened India and united 562 princely states into a single country. That's our mother India with the pride, unity in diversity. His attitude coincided with the proverb, Vallavanukku pullum ஆயுதம். Yes, the first character was courageous. Second one, before I'm going to the second character, I want to get the answer for this question. Do you know the significance of September 11, 1893? Anyone? Those who know, please type your answer. Who do you know the significance of September 11, 1893? Anyone? On the day, India's name was inscribed in the First World Parliament of Religions held in Chicago. I gave the clue. Can you have the guess? The day, September 11, 1983. 1983, on which our country's name was inscribed in the first World Parliament of Religions held in Chicago, done by Swami Vivekananda. Done by Swami Vivekananda. So second character is confidence. That is Nambikai. Tannambikai we could say. So he is the person I want to quote here. I want to narrate an incident related to Swami Vivekananda. One day, he had a walking exercise with his disciple in America. He noticed somewhere playing golf. One of his disciples, Hallister, explained the game golf detailedly. Master, please see there was a hole very close to the pole. One who tried to hit the ball, at least they had to try it 4 times, then only they can drop the ball into the hole. Swami Vivekananda denied his words and said, I could hit the ball on my first attempt. Hallister told, if you hit the ball on your first attempt, I would give you 50 cents. Then another follower told, I would give you $10. By the time Swami Vivekananda was in need of money, he collected the golf stick from the players who are playing there with joyfully and had an eagle eyesight at the hole and hit the ball. That's all. Pray, the ball was dropped into the hole. The ball was dropped into the hole. Everyone around him was speechless. After some time, they murmured among themselves, how was it happen? How was it happened? Swami Vivekananda replied, I measured the distance from where I'm standing, and as well as to the hole. Then I calculated how much energy I have to release on my first attempt. I hit the ball and got success. Regarding this, he remembers some quotes. What are the quotes you see there? His remarkable words are, மகத்தான காரியங்களுக்கு மகத்தான நம்பிக்கைகளே பிறப்பிடம். மகத்தான காரியங்கள் means very great achievements. We should have strong belief, strong confidence. That is a birthplace, like that he has explained. Third one is hard work. Third one is hard work. The best example is People President APJ Abdul Kalam. You know, he was from a poor family. He worked all around the clock. That means all day and night he worked. Every day he sleeps. Every day he went to bed at 12 midnight. Up to 2 o'clock, he used to sleep just 2 hours a day. So that is called round the clock, work around the clock. He climbed the ladder of success from Rameshwaram to Rashtrapati Bhavan only because of his hard work and smart work. Please watch a video. It tells about his life history. It's very interesting, just for 2 minutes. Yes, you know very well. He was a great teacher. He wanted to be among the students. Even during his death, his last breath was among the students only. Next one question. Okay, do you know who was the founder of the political party DMK? Do you know the founder of DMK party and when? Anyone knows? Please type your answer. Who was the founder of DMK party? Aringarana. Very good, Akshaya. Which year? Can you know the year? Can you know the year? Any guess? Yes, after independence, just 2 years back. Okay. In 1949, Aringer Anna founded the DMK party. 6 years passed. Nearly on the 7th year, 1956, he planned to. His character I want to introduce as innovation. Innovation. Right? He was the founder of DMK party in 1949. After 7 years, he planned his partymen to take part in the general election, which was going to be held in the next year, that is 1957. Previously, he wanted to have a polling to scrutinize the mindset of the people on their views about the party's participation in the election. 2 boxes of equal sizes painted with red and black were brought. One who liked DMK participation could cast their vote in a red box. The others who disliked the DMK participation in election could drop in the black box. The day came, the boxes were kept in a public place. His party men and common people cast their vote with enthusiasm. At the end of the day, the polling was completed. The vote was counted and found a red box had more than 50,000 votes, whereas black box has less than 5,000 votes. Aringaranna got this remarkable idea from the Tirukural. வினைவலியும் தன்வலியும் மாற்றான் வலியும் துணை வலியும் தூக்கிச் செயல். வினைவலியும் தன்வலியும் மாற்றான் வலியும் துணை வலியும் தூக்கிச் செயல். The meaning is, which meant that before engaging in action, access your strength, check your strength of others, check the strength of others. Strength of action, how much depth you planned that action, and the strength of support system, who are going to support you. So the meaning of the Tirukural is, before engaging in action, access your strength of others, strength of action, and strength of support system. Yes. The next one is, 5th one is, mission to vision. That means துல்லியமாக திட்டமிடல். Mission to vision. This is துல்லியமாக திட்டமிடல். The leader I would like to express here is Karma Veerar Kamarajar. Yes. He had countless feathers in his crown. Actually, this character is the essence of leadership. This is the juice of leadership. Right? This is the outcome of leadership. Mission to vision. He had uncountable feathers in his crown. One among was midday meal scheme. He was pioneer in introducing midday meal scheme in India to increase the number of kids coming to school. In 1962 to 63, actually he ruled India. He was the chief minister for 9 years, 1954 to 1963. In 1960-63, he planned to implement in Chennai that midday meals. But he needed a huge amount of money to implement that one. He expected a monetary fund from the central government. He couldn't. At the same time, enough money was not found in Tamil Nadu treasury. Then he did not wait for any other aid. He called his fellow men, he called his officials and had a meeting, and he requested to give them new ideas how to collect money. They failed to answer him. At the end of the meeting, he said with firm words that I'm very sure I'm going to implement this scheme, midday meal scheme in Tamil Nadu, especially in Chennai at right first, within this year. For that, I'm ready to beg money from my people of Tamil Nadu. He arranged many meetings after that. He went to nook and corner of villages. He met the people of Tamil Nadu everywhere. Then he requested mothers of Tamil Nadu, dear mothers, please take a handful of rice. Please take a handful of rice and save in a separate bag every day while you are cooking. He requested, please mothers, take a handful of rice and save it in a separate bag while you are cooking. By the end of the month, whatever is collected in the bag, please hand over this one to the nearby school. The children are in need of food, then only they come to school. He named this this mission as PDRC Thittam. He named this one as PDRC Thittam, that is handful of money. Or kainare edukra arisi, why kaipadi arisi eduthu they have to save. This is called PDRC Thittam. He's not stopped his actions. He was like a busy bee. He met the landlords, philanthropists, and rich people of Tamil Nadu and collected enough donation and executed the same successfully in Chennai. Then afterwards, it was extended to all districts of Tamil Nadu. I told you already, he was the pioneer. It spread to all the other states of India. So he proves that golden proverb. He proved the golden proverb, Manam irundal margam undu. Manam irundal margam undu. Next one is, sixth one, never give up. That is, ketiya pidichiko, never lose your hand. Udupipadi they used to say. Okay, try your goal till you reach. Try your goal till you reach. For this, I would like to give a well-known example from Robert Bruce, a Scottish king. He was Robert Bruce. He was the king of Scotland. Please watch a video. It's also, duration is very small. Interesting video, well-known video. But you must know, certain things you must repeatedly hear. It was registered in mind. You could get some spark. See, watch. Who was Robert Bruce? Yes, I hope everyone listened the story. In this king, 6 times he failed, seventh time he got success on seeing the spider's attempt. The Bible says, நல்லவர் எழுமுறை விழுந்தாலும் எழுந்திருப்பர். நல்லவர் 7 முறை விழுந்தாலும் எழுந்திருப்பர். Next one is, seventh character is read to lead. Seventh character is lead to read. That is வழி நடத்த வாசித்தல். Leadership and learning are indispensable to each other. Leadership and learning are indispensable to each other. That is, we cannot neglect. Once you are a leader, you have to read a lot. Read a lot. Leaders are voracious readers. Leaders are voracious leaders. See here, leadership and learning are indispensable to each other. We cannot neglect this or that. Okay, both are equally important like our eyes. Leaders are voracious leader. They are fond of reading other leaders' biographies and gaining many experiences. They are fond of reading other leaders' biographies and gaining many experiences. I could list a few here. One is Julius Caesar. The question about reading, the remarks, what he used to give, no? Show me a person who read 1,000 books. Show me a person who read 1,000 books. Definitely he is a true leader. I could follow him. I could obey him. What a great words he told. Okay, show me a person who read 1,000 books. Definitely he is a true leader. I could obey him. I could follow him. Then once a question was given to Chacha Nehru. Once a question was given to Chacha Nehru, if you are pushed into an isolated island, what would you do? If you were pushed into an isolated island, what would you do? He quickly answered, I would lead a happy life with books. He quickly answered, I would lead a happy life with books. Third picture, you know very well, he is Punjab Lion Bhagat Singh. You know very well, he was sentenced to death by British government. Okay, in the previous day of meeting to death, he started reading a big volumed book. Big volumed book. The jailer looked at him. You know the date. You know your date when you are going to end your life. You know very well, no? Yes, I'm sure. Yes, I'm sure the life time is very short, but I don't bother. I want to read the book till my last breath. I want to read the book till my last breath. Okay, so be a good reader. Surely you will lead others. Surely you will lead others. Next one is, eighth one is time conscious. Eighth one is time conscious. That means நேரம் தவறாமையின் இன்றியமையாமை. That is importance of time. See children, see students, or see whoever is there, we have some office hours. Once you come to school means it is 8:30 to 4:30. For students, teachers means 8:30 to 5 o'clock. Office people means 8:30 to 5:30. But for the leaders, they do not have definite office hours. No office hours. They work all through the day. They work all through the day. Some leaders are sleeping 2 hours a day. Some are sleeping 3 hours a day. Some are sleeping 4 hours a day because they know the value of time. Time is very precious. They know water gushing from falls never goes back. They know very well water gushing down from the falls never goes back. So they pre-plan their work and sleep a short duration. They pre-plan their work and sleep short duration and work for their planning. Okay, yes. What I want to say is, காலம் பொன் போன்றது, கடமை கண் போன்றது. காலம் பொன் போன்றது. Time is gold, you know very well. Okay, kadamai, duty is equivalent to our eyes. Okay, yes. So be children, be punctual, use the time constructively. You people are having lots of time in your hand now. Please use the time constructively. Next one. Ninth one is self-discipline. That is Suya Olukam. The hallmark for self-discipline is none other than father of our nation. The hallmark of self-discipline is none other than our father of nation, that is Gandhiji. Right from his childhood to till his death, he followed his promises, principles, prayers, etc. without any compromise. Once he told, a call to lead India did not come to me in the nature of sudden realization. Once again, I repeat, a call to lead India did not come to me in the nature of sudden realization. I prepared for it by fasting and self-discipline. I prepared for it by fasting and self-discipline. Yes, what I want to conclude about self-discipline is வெற்றியின் திறவுகோல் சுய ஒழுக்கம். If you want to taste the success, you should be self-disciplined. Okay, வெற்றியின் திறவுகோல் சுய ஒழுக்கம். Yes, a small recap about the 9 gemstone qualities of leaders. Middle one, see the leaders, one who leads friend. The followers are following them. Though the leader and followers have trouble, the leader is in front and leading his community. Once again, small refreshment. What are the qualities? First one is courageous. I gave the example Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Second one is confidence, Swami Vivekananda. Third one is hard work, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Fourth one is innovation, Arinyar Anna. Fifth one is mission to vision, Perundalaivar. Number 6 one, never give up, Robert Bruce. Seventh one, read to lead. I gave few leaders, Julius Caesar, Gandhi, Nehruji, and Bhagat Singh. Right? Time conscious, many leaders. Once you go through the net, you could find, right? Plenty of leaders are sleeping for little time. Then self-discipline, our father of nation, Gandhiji. Next, I want to give a small representation of leadership. He is none other than Pillayar. I think everyone likes him very much. He is the favorite god of everyone, right? Pillayar is the apt representation of leadership. Pillayar is the apt representation of leadership. He has a huge head, big and broad ears, tiny and sharp eyes, small mouth, long nose, and big belly. Each one symbolizes the characters of the leader. Let's see how they are. Each organ symbolizes the characters of a leader. Let's see how they are. Yes, a huge head tells us think big. That is also useful to others. The huge head tells us think big, which is useful to others. Next one, big ears. Receive good thoughts from others. You just receive good thoughts from others and implement in your work. That is only big ears. Next one is tiny eyes. Tiny eyes, focus the target and taste the success. What's the symbolizes of eyes? You just focus the target and symbolizes a success. Next one is long nose. It's a sense the surroundings and behave accordingly. Sense the surroundings and behave accordingly. That is, you should have presence of mind. Simply in short term, how to say? You should have presence of mind. Last one is big belly. Last one is, small mouth, talk less. Leaders should talk less, work more. If you are talk less, whatever the energy you gain is retaining in you and you can execute whenever you like. If you can work more. If you are talk less, you can work more. Final one, the belly, the big belly indicates hoping for a positive outcome. Big belly indicates hoping for a positive outcomes. In addition to that, I want to tell Lord Pillayar, that is Lord Vinayaka was a musician. I think so. 5th standard students, last year 5th standard students, they know very well. He was a Mridangam player. He used to play Mridangam with Nandi when Shiva was dancing Rutra Dandavam. Yeah, Rutra Dandavam. Surely leaders are musicians. Leaders are musicians. Leaders are musicians. How a musician composes beautiful music and bring out the sound that creeps in the air with a pleasant melody with his teammate. Those are playing different musical instruments. Once again, I repeat, how a musician composes beautiful music to bring the sound that creeps in the air with a pleasant melody with his teammates playing different musical instrument. Yes. Finally, I want to conclude as a leader leads the group in front and bring blossoms in his fellowmanship. A leader leads the group in front and brings blossom in his fellowman's life. Could you remember our Golden Jubilee year slogan of our school? Could you anyone remember Golden Jubilee slogan of our school? Anyone remember Golden Jubilee of our school? Can you please give the answer? Please type. Please type. Yes, Akshaya. Very good, Akshaya. Hats off to Akshaya. Empowering students to become leaders. Yes. Yes. See this emblem. See the slogan. Yes. On the 50th year, we have chosen empowering students become leaders. You are all lion cubs. You are all lion cubs. You roar as future leader in your fields. You are all lion cubs. You roar as future leaders in your field. Right? Last and but not least, I would like to thank Lion Jaya Nagarajan, Lion Indra Jayanti, and Mr. Name is given some coach name. Yes, yes, sir. And everyone, once again. And wish you all happy Deepavali. Wish you all happy Deepavali. Thank you, one and all.
Thanks a lot, Miss.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Ramesh, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thanks a lot, Miss.
Yes, wish you all happy
Thanks a
Deepavali.
lot, Miss. Thanks a lot, Miss. Happy Diwali, Miss.
Yes, happy Deepavali.
Happy Diwali, Miss.
Happy Deepavali. Sure, sure.
Thank you, ma'am.
Happy Diwali,
For
Miss.
sparing your precious time.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Miss.
It's a duty to share our ideas.
Happy Diwali, Miss.
எங்களுக்கே மறுபடியும் ஸ்கூலுக்கு போன மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபீல் இருந்தது.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Really, we are missing our students. Yes, I'm happy to see the children, those who left our school now, the senior school children. I'm very happy to see them. They are answering very smartly. Surely they are becomes leaders of future, right? They are going to rock
கண்டிப்பா கண்டிப்பா.
Our country everywhere where they are.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Yes, happy Deepavali. Happy Deepavali.
Thanks a lot, Miss.
Yes.
Happy Diwali, Miss. Bye, Miss.
Sir, Ramesh sir.
Yes, madam.
Okay, sir. Thank you, ma'am. On behalf of Lions Club of Sivagasi, I thank you once again for your fine speech. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. உண்மையிலே நாங்க நிறைய தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டோம். ரொம்ப இன்ஃபர்மேட்டிவா இருந்தது நீங்க கொடுத்த ஸ்பீச் வந்து. அதுவும் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸோட சேர்ந்து உட்காரும்போது எங்களுக்கு அது ஒரு கிளாஸ் ரூம் என்விரான்மெண்ட் மாதிரி இருந்தது. Thank you so much, madam. வேற யாரும் feedback சொல்றாங்களா சார்?
So, one second. Okay, feedback யாருனாலும்.
யார் இல்லையா சார்?
ஹலோ மேம்.
ஜெயந்தி.
மேம் நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. நாங்க டிராவல்ல கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கோம். ரொம்ப என்ஜாய் பண்ணோம். நல்லா அந்த பிள்ளையார வச்சு நீங்க சொன்னது ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்துச்சு மேம். ஹலோ.
கேக்குது ஜெயந்தி, பேசுங்க, கேக்குது.
அதான் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸா இருந்து நம்மளும் கேட்டது நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. அந்த பிள்ளையார வச்சு அந்த லீடர்ஷிப் குவாலிட்டிஸ் எல்லாம் சொன்னது ரொம்ப அழகா இருந்துச்சு. தேங்க்யூ மேம்.
வேற யாரும் feedback சொல்றதுன்னா சொல்லலாம்.
At this time, sir, I would like to recognize
Madan Gopal, sir.
presence of our 9th school principal, Mr. Swaminathan, and our past president, Lion VK Kadiravan. I would like to recognize them, the both.
Hello.
Madan Gopal, sir, please.
Waltukal, madam. Very nice message, madam. Very nice message. Thank you, madam.
Madan Gopal, sir, உங்களை introduce பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நீங்க லைன்
I am Madan Gopal, Secretary, Sivagasi Lions Club of Metro, and Virudhunagar District Service Coordinator. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I would like to recognize you too, sir.
வேற யாரும் feedback சொல்றதுன்னா நீங்க மைக் அன்மியூட் பண்ணிட்டு பேசலாம்.
சார் வணக்கம் சார். டாக்டர் கதிரவன் பேசுறேன் சார்.
Good morning.
வணக்கம் சார், வெல்கம் சார்.
வணக்கம்
கேக்குது சார், சொல்லுங்க சார்.
ஆக்சுவலா இந்த குழந்தைகள் தான் இந்தியாவின் எதிர்கால சிற்பிகள். அவங்கள எப்படி வழி நடத்துறதுங்கிறது வந்து யார் கையில இருக்கு? அம்மா, அப்பா, டீச்சர்ஸ் பிளே a மெயின் ரோல். அடுத்தது புக்ஸ் எல்லாமே நல்ல அழகா கொண்டு வந்து how to become a leaderங்கிறத ரொம்ப கிறிஸ்பா சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ரொம்ப சூப்பரா இருந்தது. குழந்தைகளுக்கு ரொம்ப நல்லா கண்டிப்பா வந்து இது நல்ல இருக்கும். ஒரு நல்ல ப்ரோக்ராம் நடத்தினதுக்கு நம்ம லயன்ஸ் கிளப் சார்பாக என்னுடைய நன்றியை தெரிவிக்கின்றேன். தேங்க்யூ மேடம்.
தேங்க்யூ சார். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்.
தேங்க்யூ சார். சார் வந்து டெய்லி நம்ம ப்ரோக்ராம வாட்ச் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்காங்க மேடம். அவங்க டெய்லி கதிரவன் சார் வந்து பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்றாங்க.
Really has done a great job, ma'am. Really has done. How valuable time he has, isn't it, ma'am? So much. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
நம்ம end பண்ணிடலாம்.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We'll...
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, one and all who are all present over here. I also like to thank Indra for giving me such a wonderful opportunity for organizing this today's program. Thank you, ma'am, for your speech. Thank you, Principal Sir, Kadiravan Sir, for your feedbacks. Thank you, students, for your ரொம்ப இன்டராக்டிவா அந்த செஷன்ஸ்ல வந்து ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ரொம்ப ஆசையா வந்து பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணதை பார்க்கும்போது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருந்தது. அண்ட் ரமேஷ் சாருக்கும் ரொம்ப தேங்க்யூ சார். டெய்லி சார் தான் இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம வந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி நமக்கு எல்லாம் இதை வந்து ஒரு ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்ணி கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. So thank you, Ramesh sir, and thank you one and all. Thank you all. Happy Deepavali to each and everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
அந்த 9 aspects ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்துச்சு. ஒவ்வொரு லீடரையும் எக்ஸாம்பிளோட சொன்னீங்க. ஸோ அது வந்து பெரிய பிளஸ். நான் ஒரு உதாரணத்தோட சொல்லும் போது ஈஸியா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் மத்தியில வந்து ரெஜிஸ்டர் ஆகும்.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
ஸோ இதே மாதிரி ஒரு டாபிக்ல நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் மண்டே சந்திக்கலாம்.
Yes, sir.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thanks. Bye, children. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.